I think you'd have to go back over the last 100 years and look at what disrupted the market the most in the last 100 years and ask if that's going to continue into the future. And if I had to look at, not being a chemist or an engineer, if I had to look back at the singular event, it would probably be two events. One would be the liberalization of economic markets. What does that mean? It means the ability for individuals like my father and Gordon Kane and Jim Radcliffe, others, to be able to go out and through access, liberal and open access to financial markets, be able to put together a company where you can compete against the largest companies in the world. You can compete against an Exxon and a Chevron and so forth, and really go head to head. And I think that competition around the world has literally led to what I would say would be the second most important part, and that would be the democratization of the global economy. And that's not to say the Americanization, but just there are more people today living under some form of self-governance, of self-determination, where individuals themselves are able to pick some form of representative government. Yes, China's still a communist society, but the people there have a greater influence today than they have at any time the last 100 years. And so as you see this continuous move, you're seeing more technologies coming forward, more creativity coming forward, more entrepreneurs coming forward. The greatest technology in the future is that technology which we just don't know of today. Yeah. And it's what comes from the human mind, what comes from human creativity. And having that creativity put into an environment of self-determination, put into an environment of open access to capital and of proper reward and protection for intellectual prowess and risk. I think that's the sky's the limit. Whenever we look into the future, we always seem to underestimate how well we can do at cleaning up the environment, how well we can do educating people, how well we can do living in a peaceful society. And that really comes through human creativity and human interaction. So I know that sounds like a geopolitical answer to an engineering and chemistry related question, but the most exciting technologies, I mean, who 20, 30 years ago would have guessed, fracking, and so as we look into the future, it's what we don't have today, it's what we don't know today that will be most exciting.